Hello guys, in last video we seen how we add CSS and JS in the head section of the page. Today we will see how to remove them if they are already exist in the page. In the last video we had the contact index and we added this CSS and script through this layout XML file and the default. Now we want to remove these styles or the CSS from some of the pages. I want to go for the about us and I want to remove the CSS and JS so I cannot see this green color of the page title. I just want to revert it back to whatever it is in Magento default. And also if I inspect element I will see the log with the default JS. I want to remove that as well so I'm not going to see it. Way to do it is to have a layout and then remove this CSS file or JS file. So let's get started with that. So first of all we will need a layout XML file. I want to remove it from the about us. The about us is the CMS page. So I will create a CMS page view XML file. This will remove the styling from all CMS pages. To layout, and now we will need head, and inside head what we need to do is the directive remove, and then we put the src or the source of the file. What we have in the default or in index, we have this, so they are in the layout file. I want to remove them. So first of all I want to remove the CSS. I'll go to the CSS and then paste it here, and then I will remove the JS file as well. So I go to the default here and then remove it from there. So this is how we remove them. So if I go and flush cache in Magento, so we removed all cache, and now if we refresh, now you can see the greenish color is gone and there is no JavaScript login, because on this page the CSS and JavaScript file is removed. The thing will apply to all CMS pages, so not just the about us, it's also on the customer service. And what if you want to target just one page? So you only want the about us to remove the CSS styling and the JavaScript. To do this we will need to target the about us page in the layout file. To do that we will refactor the name of the layout file, and then in the view we say we target by ID, so this ID underscore ID, and then we will target the identifier and it's about us. So it is about us and this is the ID. So CMS page view will apply to all CMS pages, but if you say CMS page view underscore ID underscore about dash us, we will target the one single page which is the about us. So let's refactor here and then flush cache. Let's do layout and block HTML only. Okay, so let's refresh. So no change will happen here because we only removing from the about us. But if we go to the customer service, we will see the green and we will see the login here. So you can still see these available in the customer service regardless of being a CMS page. The thing is, we only targeting the about us. This is the about us. So once again we write CMS page view and then underscore ID underscore about dash us. This is how we remove the CSS styling and JS from a single page or all CMS pages by using the layout file. I hope this is useful and I see you in the next video.